up, sir?
How you doing, ma'am?
Not too bad. Yourself?
Can I stop you today?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, because you're a Cubs fan.
Oh, really?
No. You want a little bit fast, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Where you coming from?
I was coming from Monmouth, Illinois.
Yeah.
With my son to drop him off down in Chillicothe. It's a halfway point. I drop him off with his other grandmother because he lives with his dad.
Where are you heading now?
I'm headed back to Monmouth.
Okay, so where'd you come from
Right now from Chillicothe.
Oh, you're coming from Chillicothe?
Yeah, it's just a down and back kind of thing.
I got you. You haven't taken any medication, anything like that? I saw the beer can, I see the empty pill bottle.
Beer can? Oh, that was picked up from a local park. Oh, okay. I don't drink.
What about the pill bottle? Not marked.
Pill bottle. Oh, right there. That's progesterone. It's progesterone, sir. You can run it through a pill identifier.
I'm not going to hit me up on pill.
I also am on, they're not with me, of course, because I take them in the morning and night. Yeah. Cyclobenzaprine, which is Flexeril. Yeah. And I'm not on any narcotics. I refuse to take narcotics.
I don't blame you.
I passed meds in a long-term care facility for years, and seeing those folks. You know, they sit and watch the clock, right? And then they're right on their buzzer.
All right, well, just slow down for me, okay?
Okay, we'll do. Hey, is that because this is a construction zone still?
There's a 65 mile an hour zone. You're doing 67.
Oh, okay. Because I thought.
I'm adamant about the speed on this road.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Have a good day.
No problem. Thank you.